Hi, my name is Meghan Caughey. This is my amazing service dog, Ananda, and her name means joy in Sanskrit. She has lots of joy, and I have a story that has joy in it. I'm a painter, and I used to paint these agonizing figures that were dark and despairing, and they pretty much reflected the state of my life. When I was 19, I was away at college for the first time in my life, and I started hearing things and seeing things that no one else could hear or see. I was diagnosed with schizophrenia, and for the next 25 years of my life, I went in and out of hospitals. There was shock treatment, there was 4-point restraint, there were seclusion rooms. My doctors and family really didn't have much of an expectation that I would ever be able to do anything except go in and out of the hospital. So it came down to where I was very suicidal. I needed to make a decision. Was I going to live or die? And I chose to live. And I got in touch with the life force for the first time in my life. I decided I could work. And no one expected I would do this, but I did do it. So I had a job as peer mentor in a community health program. About that time, it was 2006, a study came out that said people with serious mental illness live on average 25 years shorter than the general population. When I heard this, I was shocked and I thought this cannot be. But I had been in my job as peer mentor for about 4 months, and in that 4 months' time, 4 of my peers had died prematurely. This was shocking to me. It was very, very personal, and I decided that I had to do something personal about it. So I made a vow to dedicate my work to changing this situation, to reversing this statistic. When I started getting into recovery, I started painting a flower, and it was the lotus. The lotus is a wonderful symbol because they're a beautiful, beautiful flower, and yet their roots have to be in the mud, and they can't grow without the mud. So when I'm doing trainings or teachings, I tell people, be like the lotus. Sink your roots down into the mud of your lives, and let that mud be a source of healing, strength, and joy. The reason I tell this story is because I want people to know that there's no such thing as a hopeless life. My life is proof that there is hope.